Hello guys, welcome to today's market analysis, April 9, 2025. So today we have a lot of market movements. So let's see from major currency pair, Euro USD. You can see that Euro USD has went up. This made a good rise from the higher low. So Euro USD went up from the higher low. So Euro USD, if you ask me, it will keep moving up. Definitely will reach the 1.18, and it could also have chance to break this high very soon. So let's wait and see. And pound USD still didn't move on. So that's why if you look at the euro pound, it's moving up continuously. So pound gets affected because pound economy is strong, but still not good enough to fight against the US tariffs. So need to wait and see. Pound USD, Aussie USD also the same. Aussie USD will get affected by the taxes imposed by Trump government. So it is just simply consolidating. So the consolidation don't make much sense on those pairs. So I think Aussie USD, if it want to move up, it will consolidate. Most probably it can retest, otherwise it can move down. So Aussie US dollar, I think Australian government still didn't um talk about the counter tax tariff against Trump, and also the New Zealand, because they are all shocked. Mostly all the leaders around the world, they are shocked by this Trump tax tariff. So we need to wait and see how the markets is going to behave. So USDN, look at the USDN. It is also the low level. It just fell down so nicely, 3,000 points. But still have chances to move down more. USDN, it will move down. But if you want to take a trade on USDN, yes, you can take, but your stop loss should have to be above 146. That would be better. So USDN can fall until 140, and 140 level, it is more possible to fall until this area, because the longer view, if you look at the longer view, oh, another view, it looks like USDN reaches the higher low. So you should have to be very careful taking a sell trade, but however, so if you look at this, if it breaks this level, we can expect a big fall around 135. Let's wait and see. Silver. Silver is all simply moving in an what can I say? Silver is simply moving in a ranging movement. So if you want to buy or sell silver, you cannot do anything now. It is just simply consolidating. Not good to buy or either sell. However, in the long run, it is still in a buy uptrend, but it makes a decent, good pullback. The correction, so you can see the strong consolidation happening after breaking this major high, 2020 high, broke the 2020 high, and 2025 it's making a strong consolidation. However, the high 2011 high is still around $48. So silver have more potential to move up. It has more potential to move up. So we need to wait and see how the silver is going to react. USD Swiss franc, I think it will break the support very soon. So wait for the confirmation. Dollar is weaker. There is no doubt about that, because Trump made a decision where most of the people, they think that I mean most of the country government, president, prime minister, they think it's going to affect the US economy as well as their own economy. More than that, Trump made most of them angry. So we could see a lot of things are going to change in the world economy. But another thing, we can also expect a kind of war situation going to happen. It's like a trade war, so we cannot expect a market to or the Trump to make a bigger decision, but we can expect some kind of difficult situation to some part of the world. It might directly or indirectly affect all of us. So this year is gonna be a very big moment of the year. So if you found something is oversold, overbought, the trend reversal is coming. So be prepared. Uh, USGN, I think it's going to fall. This time it might have a lot of chances to fall down continuously in USGN. There's a lot of chances to fall. USGN. Aussie Canadian is just rebounding from the low level. Pound Australian dollar still have chances to go down, but not sure about the pound Australian. If you ask me, it still has have a chance. Still has a chance to move down, but if you keep your stop loss here, it would be better. The risk reward doesn't seem to be so good. Oh, pound CAD. Yesterday I pound CAD. It just reaches just went up from the higher low. So yesterday we saw the pound CAD while it was standing around this price level 1.8080 I think 8090. So from here pound CAD went up 2000 points and then again it making a correction. I think pound CAD if USD CAD starts to fall more then pound CAD will break this low and then it will start to move down more because it is still in a uptrend. However, if you look at the longer view, it is just going to fall from the resistance area. So you can see the last time it fell from 2018. 2008 is too long, but however, if I measure trend and counter trend move, at least like 10,000 points, we expect at least 1,000 pips. So 10,000 points move is expected. So we can expect at least pound CAD to reach around 1.77. Oh, clearly you can see here after the retraced area pound CAD is falling down continuously. So this is how the technical works. And Euro Canadian still in an uptrend. It's moving up because Euro dollar is getting so strong. So that's the reason. So Euro Canadian, if you want to buy, I think a risk, but sell is okay. Sell is fine. Euro Canadian you can sell, however it's dangerous to sell. If you ask me, Euro Canadian, it's very difficult to break this high 1.60. But for long term, I think you can sell. Euro Canadian. Even if you try to move up, keep selling because it gives a very good opportunity to sell. Euro Pound rising up continuously from the low level. Euro New Zealand, same. It hits the high. Oh, it breaks the high. Nice, it breaks the 2020 high. Wow. A strong movement is happening. A very strong movement. You can see a deep pullback. 4,000 points pullback. And it went up until 6,000 point. So these kind of craziest movements are happening due to Trump. You could say thank you to Trump, or else if you catch a good opportunity, you can say thank you to Trump because he makes us to make a good quick bucks in a short time. Pound is still weaker, so pound still remains at the bottom. However, Euro New Zealand also have chances to go down, so we can expect Euro New Zealand to move down again. It is possible, but however, Euro New Zealand is still consolidating, so we need to wait and see how far it can move. Pound CAD is falling. But if you look at other pairs, pound CAD, I think it breaks this high, so it will reach this high very soon. Another 10,000 points is coming and coming. Australia Canadian dollar looks like it breaks the low level. However, we need to wait and see. USD CAD. USD Canadian dollar just retest and starts to fall, so we can expect some more movement. Bitcoin, Bitcoin is making a crazy movement. As you know, all the markets are crazy, not only the Bitcoin. I don't play Bitcoin all the time, so just wait and see. If you look at this chart patterns, looks like market is moving in a clear descending channel. So Bitcoin still have chance to fall until $68,000. I think 68 or even 67. I think 67 to $70,000 is mostly possible. Even with a fake breakout or a kind of big spike, it could reach this level. It is possible on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I think you can don't sell for now, but look for a very good buy opportunity in Bitcoin because it has a lot of chances to reach this area. You can see 68. So after $68,000, it went up $42,000, nearly $40,000. So this is gonna be a big move, and big and quick movements are happening right now in all the markets. In all the markets, not only the specific one, on all the markets it's happening. So gold is just simply moving up, and Australian USD Canadian. So all the pairs seems to be moving up and down continuously. However, you should have to wait with patience. What's going to happen in all the pairs? Need to wait and see. So let's see next set of pair. So far it looks like let's see Euro Swiss franc. Wow, Euro Swiss franc is just simply falling down continuously. It will break this low level very soon, or else it might hit this level so fast. Same like US Swiss franc, all the pairs, Swiss franc pairs are at the bottom, I think, or even breaking the low. Wow, you can see Australian Swiss franc. So right now, if you ask me where the Australian Swiss franc is going to move, it's easy to say only by having some kind of future prediction tool like Fibonacci extension tool. So this will help you to find out. So let's see the market. Good correction towards the market. I will take this high and low. Oh, 0.42 is also possible. Nearly another 8,000 points is also more possible on Australian Swiss franc. But if I look out the yeah, if I look out the smaller channel view, I think it's going to move another 1,000, 2,000 points, and then it will move another 2,000 points, and then it will rebound back. Yeah, it will rebound very soon. So still, they are all in downtrend, strong downtrend. Even if you look at this, Could move another. Yes, another 1,500 to 2,000 points. Same Canadian Swiss franc. All the pairs are moving in the same direction and same view. So USD Swiss franc, Australia, New Zealand, Euro pound. Euro pound made a very good move. I think it could move same like this. It's more probably possible on Euro pound. Gold, I think it's going to hit up again. I think it might also have chance to break the high. Gold could break the high. So guys, just keep holding gold. If you bought it at a good price, just keep holding gold. If you feel not good to hold for a long term, I think you can close some of your lot size, some of your trade position, but keep holding gold. If you bought it around this 2,000 or $3,000 area, so keep holding it out. USD yen, Euro pound, Australian JPY, just fell down continuously, but it is at the support. So this support means you should have to be extra cautious. But today I think it reaches the support and rebounding back. So I think Australian JPY also have chances to move up. Oh, it went up 600 points in a very short time. Very short time. It might give some consolidation. Okay, let's see all the pairs. So Euro, Swiss franc, JPY, it's going to hit the lower high. I think it already hit the lower high. So Swiss franc, JPY might have a chance to break the high or make a reversal. Need to wait and see because there was no confirmation. There is no confirmation over there. So we need to wait and see. It is just consolidating very hard. So Canadian JPY, as you can see, Canadian JPY is also consolidating. But it is still in a downtrend, so if you want you can sell, but it is standing at the major support. So if you look at Canadian JPY, it is at the support level. So I think support will break very soon. Market will consolidate. Not only in Canadian JPY, all the JPY pair support will break very soon. If it doesn't break within this week or by next 10 days, then we can expect a good reversal. Or else market will break the bottom very soon. JPY, Euro JPY. Australian USD. Australian USD is still in a kind of, I think it's going to, might have a chance to move up. But I'm not sure about that. Australian USD. Pound down, you can see it's falling like a hell. It's just bleeding up. Pound dollar is going to move down more. Bitcoin has just simply started to move up now. See, within from last 2 days, I think Bitcoin is moving between $6,000 range. Same like gold. So gold went up. I think Bitcoin will also move up very soon. Gold is making a very good value over there. I think USD Canadian dollar will break this bottom level and will move down very soon. Euro Swiss franc, Euro pound. New Zealand USD is going to be up or down. New Zealand USD seems to be okay, fine. It could have a chance to move up, I think. So New Zealand USD have a lot of chances to move up. So if you look out different paths, I think New Zealand USD is going to make some changes, but in the higher time frame, it looks like it has a chance to fall, not to move on. Could fall it, but could fall down more. But good reversal is there. However, it is just simply consolidating. So you should have to be careful dealing with New Zealand USD. I think depending on the behavior of Euro USD, or we can expect behavior in all the other pairs too. Touch, it's very powerful. Here, if you look at New Zealand USD, is just simply moving, consolidating.